What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you step by step on how to apply for motor vehicle registration online on ecitizen portal. Stay tuned. If you're new on this channel, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on ecitizen.go.ke to learn more. Now let's get right into today's video. So to get started applying for motor vehicle registration, log into your eCitizen account and click on National Transport and Safety Authority NTSA New. You'll be taken to your dashboard here on NTSA portal and click on Services. Then scroll down and select Motor Vehicle Registration and click on Apply. Here you'll be required to fill your general information. County, you just fill Nairobi if you're in Nairobi. Then sub-county, fill where you are living, say Starehe. Then enter the entry number and chassis number for the vehicle. Then click on search. When you search the details, it will show all the information about that vehicle. Follow all these processes, like you'll be prompted on what is required from you to fill in on this form, as you can see here. And once you're done filling the first step here, click on next, and you will have to fill also the information about the owner, about collection. Then if there is any attachment that is required from you, you can attach it at the end of this application. So the cost of motor vehicle registration varies with the kind of number plate that you're applying for. As you can see on the screen here is the list of the cost for each motor vehicle registration number plates. The first number plate is general number plate, which goes for 2,050 Kenya shillings. That is about $15 to $20. The second type of number plate is special or preferred number plates, which goes for 30,000 Kenya shillings. And then the last one is customized number plates, which go for 1 million Kenya shillings. The timelines for each of the item that you're applying for, if it is the logbook or the number plate goes for 3 working days, and to get the logbook also, it will take 3 working days to get the logbook. And that is it on how to apply for motor vehicle registration online in Kenya. If you have any questions or concerns regarding to application for motor vehicle registration here in Kenya online, please contact NTSA directly for assistance. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Take time to visit also my website on ecitizen.go.ke to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care.